Hello everyone. I hope you all are good and you all are practicing questions. Let us for now get at this one. So we have a toy cart and this cart has a weight of 4 kg and this cart is kept on a smooth floor so there is no friction. And this cart is loaded with 4 blocks. This has a mass of 2 kg. This is 2 kg, 1 kg, 1 kg. Okay. Then F force is getting applied here of the magnitude 40 Newton. We are asked what will be the contact force between block D and the wall. So definitely D must be pushing wall in this direction, and by Newton's third law, this wall must be applying a force on block D in this direction, right? Let's say this is N value, N amount of force, okay? So this is N. Now we need to calculate this N. And for that we need to गो वाइजली विद द सिस्टम. सबसे पहले आप एक चीज ध्यान से देखो, यहाँ पे जो कार्ड है एंड ऑल दिस ब्लॉक्स विच आर लोडेड ऑन टू इट, दे ऑल विल गो फॉरवर्ड टुगेदर under the influence of 40 Newton force. When I say they all will go together, I mean that A और B के बीच में separation नहीं आएगा, B and C के बीच में कोई relative separation नहीं होगा, similarly C and D, and similarly D and the wall. So this whole together can be considered as one system. किसी भी चीज को हम सिस्टम मान सकते हैं unless and until there is no relative separation thing happening. Relative velocity, acceleration, separation, whatever is this, ठीक है, वो नहीं होना चाहिए. अगर वो नहीं हो रहा है, you can take that as a system. So I can consider this whole as a system because whole will go forward with same displacement, velocity and acceleration, and this system has a total mass of how much? 10 kg, right? So 2 plus 2 4, 1 5 6, and 6 plus 4 10, and this is under influence of 40 Newton of force. So this system will go forward with what? Acceleration 40 by 10, that is 4 meter per second square. ठीक है, कुछ ऐसा. Done है. So this is the value we are getting because there is no friction, right? This is the only horizontal force acting on this, and yeah, there will be normal reaction acting in this direction and mg force acting in this direction, but vertically the system is in equilibrium. We don't need to bother about it. अब देखो, हमें ये कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स इसके बीच का निकालना है. अगेन वी नीड टू सेलेक्ट सिस्टम, बट अगर हमने इस पूरे सिस्टम को एक कलेक्ट किया अभी के लिए, वी वोंट बी एबल टू राइट इक्वेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ एन हियर, है ना, क्योंकि पूरे सिस्टम में तो ये एन इंटरनल फोर्स की तरह आ रहा है और कैंसिल हो जा रहा है. सो यू नीड टू पिक अप सिस्टम इन सच अ वे दैट, आई मीन, one of the pair of this n force will act. ठीक है, so we can take system as a plus b plus c plus d. so अभी हमारा system क्या है? a plus b plus c plus d. so if you consider this as a system now, it has a force of 40 Newton acting because a is the part of system and on a f is directly acting. so yeah, 40 Newton will act on system a plus b plus c plus d. ठीक है, अगर आपने सिंपली बी सिस्टम लिया होता ना, तो बी को देखो, बी पे डायरेक्टली एफ नहीं लग रहा, सो आप एफ नहीं लगाओगे बी पर. बी पर कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स सी लगाया है इस डायरेक्शन में एंड ए लगाया है इस डायरेक्शन में. अगर आप इसको n1 मानते हो, इसको n2 मानते हो, तो आप बोलोगे बी के लिए n1 minus n2 is equal to mass of b into acceleration, something like that you could have written. ठीक है, सो यहाँ मैं 40 इसलिए लगा रही हूँ क्योंकि a is part of this system, the system that we have taken. okay, and then on a plus b plus c plus d, ये वाले फोर्सेस हम काउंट नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि a और b के बीच में n1 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सिमिलरली दिस एंड दिस वी वोंट काउंट बिकॉज b एंड c दोनों साथ में है, कैंसिल होगा. c एंड d के बीच वाले भी आप काउंट नहीं करोगे, कैंसिल हो जाएगा. बट yes, between d and the wall is not the part of system, so whatever force wall is acting on the d will get counted and this is in this direction. Let's call it n. ठीक है, so now you will be writing 40 minus n is equal to a plus b plus c plus d. कितना होगा? so this is 6 into a, that is your how much? 4. so n is equal to how much? 40 minus 24, and that will give you how much? 16. ठीक है, so this is 16 Newton. This will be your answer. I hope you have understood this question, but if you have any doubt anywhere, you can always let me know in the comment section. Keep on solving more number of questions and keep on practicing more. Bye bye, take care.